Okay, today I'm taking a look at the DIGITNOW USB 3.0 capture card HDMI 4K Plus. I like the packaging on here. That's actually kind of a beefy feeling unit. It's nice. Okay, yeah. This is metal. This is actual, I think it's probably aluminum. All right, so on the front we got the headphones and the microphone. We got a little LED bar on the bottom. And on the back, we got the DC 5V USB 3.0 and the HDMI in and out. So you'll have the device that you're gaming on going in here and then going out to the TV here. So it's going to be going straight through, so you're not going to have any latency. And then you'll be recording over here. Okay, and it also comes with a bunch of cables, so that's good. So here we got our USB-A to USB-C cable. We got a USB-A to USB-A cable. And we got our HDMI cable. So yeah, this all looks good. We got plenty of cables. We only got one HDMI cable, but that's really all you need because, I mean, if you're going to be plugging in, for example, a PlayStation, you're already going to have a cable for that going to the end, and then you'll have this that you can go to the out, or, vice versa. But this is going to work great for me because I'm going to be using this for a laptop to a laptop. All right, so I got two laptops, and I got the video capture card, so I'm going to plug the HDMI into this laptop. This is going to be the one I'm going to be doing the gaming on. And then I'm going to plug in the USB. And I'm going to plug that into this laptop in the dock. And then finally, power. Plug that in and plug that also into USB. There we go. So we're lit up. It's rolling. So I'm going to add a video capture device. Changing this to USB 4K video. There we go. Picked it right up. Okay, cool. And that's definitely 4K. I have this set to 1080, so I have to reduce the window size to fit. But it's taking the full 4K video from this display and duplicating it over here. Good deal. So now, if I move the mouse over here, moves the mouse over there, and it's actually, that's very responsive. I could almost play on that. But yeah, there it is. It's duplicating from here to here. So I can use this computer just for gaming. I can use all the processing power to making sure that that gameplay is as smooth as I can get it. And then I can use this computer for doing the streaming. So I can have this doing all of the encoding for the video and also for talking to chat, doing anything like that. So awesome setup, and it all works because of this little guy right here. Look at that. So, it's a pretty awesome little capture card.